Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am tackling my boys' room, and originally this was a nursery. This is how I decorated this bedroom about 3-4 years ago, and I love this nursery, but as my children grew, I had more kids, we had to make some more space to fit two kiddos in here. So currently here I have a bunk bed here that fits two of my boys. I added a dresser here, but the stars on the wall remain the same, the color palette all remained the same, and it is just time. The boys are a little bit older, I want to add a little something, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first things first is I washed this rug. I am going to go ahead and sell it and get myself a beautiful new rug. I absolutely love this rug. It has a little bit of color, has those blues, has those warm tones to make it cozy, but it's just perfect for a boy's bedroom. But here on these walls, as I mentioned before, these are some wall stickers that I had up here. And this was great when my boys were newborns. They loved to look at the black stars when they were in their crib, but they are so big now. My boys are 3 and 6 years old, and it is just time. And I'm gonna start off by taking down these pictures. I do have a plan to reuse them here in a couple of next videos for a little refresh, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these stars down. And let me say that I was pretty excited to make over this bedroom, make it a little bit more grown up, but as I was taking down the stars, it just made me so emotional. Like, our kids grow up so fast, and it could be hard when, you're having kids back to back and they're in that newborn stage, and it just feels like it is never gonna end. The days are long, the nights are even longer. But looking back now, it has been like a good 3-4 years since my youngest was born, and time really does fly by fast. So did get a little bit sad taking down these stars, but it's a new chapter in life. I'm really excited to be out of those newborn stages, which is really exciting and kind of not at the same time. But I'm gonna go ahead and take down these stars, that way I have a fresh and clean canvas to work with. Now that the wall is looking empty and bare, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy this place up a little bit. This dresser has seen better days. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's somebody spilled something. I don't know if somebody drew on something. I have no idea. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some vinegar and water, and I'm gonna use that to wipe down this dresser, and it did an amazing job. Cleaned up right off. And another thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and vacuum the floors. So I want to make sure I have a clean and tidy space to work with, because I don't know, I don't like to decorate with a messy space, cluttered space. It makes me stressed out, and then the end product isn't as great as it can be. So a clean room is a must. Alright, so before I get on to decorating this room, I want to go ahead and take off these knobs, and yes, you guessed it, I will be spray painting them. If you guys have seen any of my previous summer decorate videos, you know that I have been spray painting everything a bronzy color, and I love it. I am so happy with the way it adds warmth to a space. And as you saw, this room lacked the coziness. It was all black, white, and gray, which was my thing back a couple years ago, but I want to make it cozy. Even though this is a boys' room, I think it could still be cozy. And I didn't want to go ahead and buy new knobs. I actually really do like the knobs that are here. They're very simple, very plain. I just want to change the color, and the most easiest, cheapest, DIY-est way to do it is to spray paint them. So after taking all of these knobs, I did went ahead and wash these also, but I'll be using this Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. It is the most beautiful bronzy color. It's not like the yellow gold, but it's just the beautiful bronzy color, and I am living for it. And when I spray painted it, I actually didn't spray paint all of the knobs, so some of the knobs still were seeping through with the black, which I absolutely love. I love that it has that two-toned color, but still adds that softness and the warmth. And this dresser actually was thrifted. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace, oh my word, like 3 years ago for $25. You guys, this was like a neon green cabin here, and my husband went ahead and painted it for me, and it is holding up so nice. It is a real wood, so go ahead and thrift some stuff, you guys. Like, it adds so much character, and you can personalize DIY items, which I love, and plus it only cost me $25. Okay, so here above this dresser, I got this beautiful wonky shaped mirror here from Hobby Lobby, and here I'm just trying to figure out how I want to place it, and I finally figured out, and I think it's so beautiful. So when you walk into this bedroom, the first thing you see is this dresser. So what a great way to look at yourself when you come in the room, and mirrors really create a bigger illusion of a bigger space. And you know, the rooms are small. There's only room for a bed and a dresser, so if I can make it look bigger, why not? But after cleaning off this mirror, I am bringing in my beautiful thrifted lamp, and I also got this off of Facebook Marketplace. I adore this lamp. I have actually been looking at Target for lamps like this, and you know what? I just waited it out, and Lord behold, I got 2 of them for $25. So I love this lamp. It brings such coziness and airiness here into this little corner. And to style this dresser, I am keeping it very simple. I have this really cute elephant piggy bank. It was actually thrifted also, and I'm adding some greenery over here just to bring this corner to life. In order to add coziness, you gotta put some curtains on. So I actually already had these curtains, but I did go ahead and wash them, so they are fresh out of the washer. They're smelling nice and good, and I love these curtains. They are see-through, they're very flowy, they go all the way down to the ground, and I love when curtains hit the ground. It's just so beautiful. Alright, we cannot forget about this bed. I went ahead and bought some new quilts for the boys, and these gray ones have served their duty. They held up great, but I just want to add a little bit of warmth. You know what I mean? Like, after you have something for a while, you want to change. So I got this beautiful quilt. It's a quilt and a pillow sham. Got it from Amazon, and it is just this beautiful taupey off-white color. Here on camera, for some reason, it's coming off a little pinkish / peachy, but in person, it is the most beautifulest taupey warm off-white color I have seen, and it's just looking so beautiful with this rug, and I'm definitely achieving that cozy, warm look here in this bedroom that I was going for. But for the pillows, I'm gonna go ahead layer these pillows that my boys use, as well as a beautiful brown velvet pillows here, lumbar pillows in front, just to really create a beautiful cozy layered look. this little corner next to the bed and the dresser, I have this beautiful woven basket from Good Pick, and I'll be adding it here. And in this basket I store things like my kids' throw blankets, their little toys, anything like that. So I'm hiding all the obnoxious colors down there in the basket, and then on top I'm displaying some of their neutral toys just to kind of go nicely with the flow of the room. But here on this side, there's nothing here. There's just the picture frame, which one picture looks a little weird. So I'm gonna go ahead, take that down, and I am working on a hallway makeover, and I took off these candle holders, and I thought, why not display them here on this wall, since I can't really do much with them anyways. So I'm adding it here just to create that beautiful look. Again, the gold ties in with the gold knobs, and you guys, we are done with this bedroom. It is looking cozy and beautiful, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it.